Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to implement a cumulative distribution function with Python. Here's the code. The first one is just a standard normal distribution function. It looks like this in Python. And the second one is a cumulative distribution function. These magic numbers are very famous, so you should know it if you want to become a quant analyst. And this approximation code, it's very simple. And finally, I'm going to compare the result with this approximation function and a Python built-in function. It's called CDF in Python. It's from the scipy.stat library. And then let's see the results using different sigmas. Let's run the code. Here's the results from -4 sigma to -3 -2. As you can see, it's the same up to six decimal places, and it's very useful when you don't have a cumulative distribution function in your language. So in Python, you already have built-in, so there is no need to create it, but it's just good to know. I mean, it's just good knowledge. How do you say that? Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching, and cheers. See you next time. Cheers, bye.